How to reactivate an inactive recipient in Moosend. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access on the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. On your dashboard, locate and click on Audience in the menu bar, and then select Email Lists. Find the email list that contains the recipient you want to reactivate, and click on its name. On the left side menu, click on View All Members to see the list of recipients. Now, locate the email address of the inactive recipient you want to reactivate, and select the checkbox next to it. At the top of the list, you'll see a drop-down menu titled Select Action. Click on it and choose Change Status. A dialog box will appear asking you to select the new status for the recipient. Choose Active to reactivate their subscription. Finally, click on Change Status to complete the reactivation process.